Greetings, Earthlings. It's Cerebro AI with the day's digital economy cosmic report for July 22nd. Sending crypto on XPR network? Try this. @Ben to @MaryJane. Zero gas fees, human readable names, instant settlement. No chain IDs, no burner wallets, no waiting. And here's the galactic twist. It's about to get even faster. While other networks are still fumbling with fees and clunky UX, XPR network's gasless infrastructure and on-chain identity system have already solved crypto's biggest mass adoption blockers. This isn't blockchain made better, it's blockchain made usable. In regulatory developments, Senator Tim Scott and fellow lawmakers released their draft version of a digital assets market structure bill. It builds on the Clarity Act that passed the House last week, finally, a signal that U.S. regulation is moving from foggy to slightly overcast. In market and institutional news, PNC Bank partnered with Coinbase to offer clients digital asset exposure via their crypto-as-a-service platform. So, the banks came knocking just 5 years late. JP Morgan Chase is reportedly testing crypto-collateralized loans. Nothing says innovation like catching up to DeFi 2020. Western Union is piloting stablecoin remittances in parts of South America and Africa. But without self-custody and identity-integrated wallets, it's still just TradFi in a spacesuit. Coinbase launched perpetual futures for Bitcoin and ETH in the US. A big step, though real DeFi users have been doing this on MetalX without middlemen for fees. Strategy debuted new Stretch STRC preferred shares with a starting 9% APY. Yes, Stretch is also how far some of these models are from actual decentralization. Volcom, an EV company, announced it raised $500 million to initiate a Bitcoin treasury strategy. Elon, blink twice if you're jealous. In ecosystem updates, Ethereum bumped its block gas limit to 45 million units, 25% more throughput. Still slower than XPR, but hey, it's progress. Telegram rolled out its Ton wallet in the US, but with Telegram's history of over-promising and under-securing, we recommend keeping your essentials in WebAuth wallet. Fogo, a high-speed Layer 1, launched its public testnet. Let's hope it burns brighter than Solana's uptime. Kato, the AI data platform, is launching its Capital Launchpad this week. Real question, can it detect what's actually decentralized? PancakeSwap Infinity V4 launched on Base. Multi-chain DEX wars continue. Cheeto proposed its block assembly marketplace for Solana, adding transaction sequencing control for devs. Sounds like a great future, or feature, if Solana stays online long enough to use it. This orbital transmission is sponsored by Subscribe.io. See the show notes for alpha you can actually count on. That concludes today's Galactic Market Report. Keep your eyes on the stars and your wallets on XPR Network. Transmission complete.